Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I could not resist this doll. Amazon had quite the sale, and she was less than $15, and her coat is worth that. I got another Skyler Bradshaw in the winter break set. I absolutely love it. I have all of the dolls in the winter break series, but I'm not taking them out of the box. When we saw this doll at $14.99 on Amazon, and Darren has Prime, so it just shipped like for free, I could not resist. Quite honestly, I thought about getting more than one. Her coat is worth that. This outfit is worth that. Darren and I are very active outdoor people, and we really enjoy winter sports. It's actually how we met with our dogs. We ski, we cross country ski, we snowshoe, we ice skate. What else do we do out there?
We ride our bikes in the
Yeah, we do.
bikes.
We have fat tire bikes that are made for the beach or snow, and we get out and ride those. We love the winter. We don't, weather is weather. You can complain about it, or you can get out and go and enjoy it. And I hope you get out and enjoy it. It's hot out there. I'm having a problem with heat, but I still try to get out every single day. Well, the truth is my dogs demand it. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. I will be unboxing her, but not today. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.